ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम्। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Karma Yoga chapter we have been seeing. Arjuna had asked doubt, if knowledge is superior, then why are you asking me to do actions? He said Karma Yoga is great, Jnana Yoga, Jnana Marga is great, then why do you tell me, or why are you telling me Karma Yoga? Then Bhagwan said, this Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, both are prescribed by me for different seekers. If you are fit to do Karma Yoga, you do Karma Yoga. If you have surpassed all other things, Viveka Vairagya is up to full extent or up to the mark, then you can go for knowledge. And Bhagwan said, no person, like without doing actions, we cannot reach actionless Paramatma. Without starting Karma Yoga, in general, we cannot reach Jnana Yoga. We cannot reach Paramatma. We cannot realize Paramatma. And Bhagwan is trying to give many different aspects so that everyone in this world pushes themselves to do karma. Bhagwan said no person in this world can live without doing actions. Then Bhagwan said those people are fraud. Those people are deceiving people who control their sense organ, but in mind they think about it. Then Bhagwan said those people are those people who regulate their action properly and control their mind also, they are karma yogi. And Bhagwan said we always should do nitya naimittik karma. And Bhagwan promoted yajna shabda in this chapter. So here yajna means karma yoga. He says other than doing karma yoga, all actions are going to bind us. So let us do karma yoga. And not only Bhagavan, when Brahmaji created this entire universe, that time he also suggested, in fact, guided that we all should do karma as per our varna and ashrama. And like that, now the chapter is moving ahead. So, till what Brahmaji said, till that sloka we have seen. Now Brahmaji is going to give very important message to all of us. Devan bhavayata nena te deva bhavayantu vah parasparam bhavayantah श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ देवान् भावयतानेन ते देवा भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ. So Bhagwan, in fact Brahma ji, Prajapati, is talking to people that you should do swadharma. Except swadharma, you don't do anything. Don't do fasting. Don't go to pilgrimage. Don't do any other thing. Don't go to your family deities. Don't go to great deities. You do your swadharma. That doesn't mean we should not go to temple. We should not fast. We should not go to pilgrimage. That is not the purport there. If you are doing all these things like going to temple, going to pilgrimage, doing big puja and rituals, and if you are not doing your own duty, everything is futile. That is the purpose here. So many people, they quote in a different way, so we should not make that mistake. That is not the purport of Dnyaneshwar Maharaj. That is not the heart of Dnyaneshwar Maharaj. So let us do everything, but to begin with, we should do our dharma, swadharma palanam we should do. So here, Devan Bhavayatanena, now we will do Anvaya. Devan with different pen. Devan Bhavayata Anena Te Devaha Bhavayantu Vaha Parasparam Bhavayantah Shreyah Param Avapsyatha. This is the Vigraha, splitting the sandhis in different way. Anena, anena, by this yajna. By this yajna means by doing whatever enjoined actions are there. By doing them, leading and leaving our life is called yajna. One yajna where you sit down, the ladle is there, the fire is lit up, all priests are around, yajman is there, all havir dravya, everything is ready, samagri is ready, and you offer things. Here, yajna means karma yoga. Here, yajna means doing actions without ego and without asking anything in return. Without expectation, without ego, those actions are called karma. Those actions are called karma yoga. So when we do such karma yoga, anena, by that karma yoga, by doing selfless actions, devan bhavayatah, then we dedicate our actions to God, and when God sees that all actions are dedicated only for me, not for any purpose, God also becomes happy. Te devaha vaha bhavayantu. So this yajna devan bhavayatah, this yajna pleases God. Te devaha vaha bhav, those gods, te devaha means those pleased God, vaha bhavayantu, may they foster us, may they take care of us. How we loved them, how we offered our actions to them, in the same way they should offer us love and result of those actions. Evam, thus means reciprocatory, like we are giving them, we are giving our actions to them, and they are giving results in return. Parasparam bhavayantah, let us mutually love each other, mutually foster each other. And what is going to happen by that? Param Shreyah Avapsyata. We human beings will get Paramashreya, means moksha. So this Devata doing karma yoga with them is going to purify our heart, and we are going to gain knowledge, and that knowledge is going to give me moksha. Now let us see what Dnyaneshwar Maharaj says. जे एने करुणी समस्ता परितोषो होईल देवता मगते तुम्हा इप्सिता अर्था ते देती. जे एने करुणी समस्ता परितोषु होईल देवता मग ते तुम्हा इप्सिता अर्था ते देती. So J, the gods, Yene Karoni Samastha. All these gods, because of this yajna, when we offer those actions to them, paritoshu hoil devata. They will be very happy within. And what they will do once they are happy? Magate tumha. Then they will ipsita artha ate deti. Then they will give whatever you want. Whatever you desire, that desire will be fulfilled by these devatas because you have satisfied them. They will satisfy you. Very important. या स्वधर्मा पूजिता देवता गणा समस्ता योगक्षेमो निश्चिता करिती तुमचा या स्वधर्म पूजा पूजिता देवता गणा समस्ता योगक्षेमो निश्चिता करिती तुमचा. Wonderful thing. The puja, the offering is been done, but what is that offering? Naneshwar Maharaj is clarifying that. Swadharma puja pujita. It is offering of our one's own good deeds, action to Bhagavan. For example, I am telling Gnaneshwari. I am telling Gnaneshwari not for name and fame. I am telling Gnaneshwari for Bhagavan to ponder upon Bhagavan. I am giving discourses on Gnaneshwari. And it is my swadharma because I have learned all these things. So I must distribute amongst people. So swadharma puja, doing one's own duty diligently, meticulously, that is real puja. Swadharma puja pujita. And to whom? All the deities. Devata gana samasta. To entire all the deities, we are offering our karma, whatever we have done. Then what happens? In returns, yogakshemu nishchita kariti tumasa. They are going to take care what we don't have. They are going to take care what we have. We don't lose it. And nishchita, definitely they are going to take care what we want to have, what we should not lose. Yoga kshema, both they are going to take care of that. Tumsa kariti, all the deities, they are going to do it. So don't worry about it. Next. तुम्ही देवतांते भजाल देव तुम्हा तुष्टतील ऐसी परस्परे घडेल प्रीती जेथ. तुम्ही देवता ते भजाल देव तुम्हा तुष्टतील ऐसी परस्परे घडेल प्रीती जेत. So this is two-way love. तुम्ही देवतांते भजाल. You all will worship. You all will offer your good actions to God. Your goal of action is God. God-centered action you are going to offer. Deva tumha tushtatil. And once you please them, they will give you result in back. For example, I want to have a child. After doing so many materialistic diagnosis or options, I want to pray to God now. So what should I do? Particular deity. So I pray, I do whatever they want. And once that God is pleased, he gives me what I want. Deva tumha tushtatila. I see paraspare ghadel. I see. Thus means you love God, God will love you. You want God, God will give whatever you want. Paraspare ghadel. This kind of mutual love, wherever it happens, there what? तेथ तुम्ही जे करू म्हणाल ते अपैसे सिद्धी जाईल वांछेतही पुरेल मानसीचे. तेथ तुम्ही जे करू म्हणाल ते अपैसे सिद्धी जाईल वांछितही पुरेल मानसीचे. then once you love them, once they make you happy, then what will happen? तुम्ही जे करू म्हणाल, whatever you wish to do, ते अपैसे सिद्धी जाईल. That work will be finished smoothly. अपैसे सिद्धी जाईल. You know this about this Jnaneshwari also. When I decided to talk or give talk on this Jnaneshwari topic, all things they fell in place properly, smoothly. I started first chapter got over. I never knew that I am going to speak on these chapters and all. So when you have God in the center, you do all your actions which are dedicated to God, for God, then whatever you say, that will go very smoothly. वांछित ही पुरेल मानसीचे. Whatever desires are there in your mind, that also will be fulfilled. So whatever you say you want to do it, smoothly that will be over. Whatever desires you have inside which you haven't expressed out, those desires also will be fulfilled. What else will happen if we do Swadharma diligently, meticulously? Vacha siddhi paval, अज्ञापक होवाल, म्हणिये तुमचे मागतील महारुद्धी. वाचा सिद्धी पावाल, अज्ञापक होवाल, म्हणिये तुमते मागतील महारिद्धी. So what is going to happen? You will become Vacha Siddhi person. Vacha Siddhi, whatever you say that will happen. You want rain now. Oh Bhagwan, rain should come. Rain will appear. Vacha Siddhi Paval. Then Adnyapak Hoval. You won't be listener or doer anymore. Vacha Siddhi Paval, you will have mystical power in your speech. Adnyapak Hoval. And you will give commands to people and things will happen. You know, it is not easy job to get it done from other people. You can do how much ever you want, but it is not easy that you get, work done by people. So you need to become Adnyapaka. If you do your duty well, you will become Adnyapaka. Means people will follow you. And Maharuddhi tumate maniye magatil. Then Mahariddhi, this Riddhi Siddhi we say, Mahariddhi will ask you, what is your wish, O Lord? Tumate magatil maniye. What you want to say, you say we will fulfill. That much is the power of Swadharma. Where Mahariddhi, Riddhi Siddhi we say, Mahariddhi also will, spread her cloth and will say, what do you want? You ask, I will give you, I shall give you. Beautiful example how it will be once you do your Swadharma meticulously. जैसे ऋतुपतीचे द्वार वनश्री निरंतर, ओळघे ओळगे फळभार लावण्येसी. जैसे ऋतुपतीचे द्वार वनश्री निरंतर, ओळगे फळभार लावण्येसी. Just like ऋतुपतीचे द्वार, just like the door of spring. Rutu, season. Pati, the lord of all the seasons, means Vasanta Rutu. And Rutupatiche Dwar, on the doorstep of that spring season, Vanashri Nirantara. The Vanashri, the beauty, the Lord, the Vanashri means, Shri means Lakshmi. And Vanashri, wealth of that forest, Nirantar, the wealth of that forest on the doorstep of Vasanta Rutu will be Olage. What? That Vanashri, the wealth of that forest will be available to this Vasanta Rutu. How? Phalabhar lavanyesi. In Vasanta Rutu, there is greenery everywhere. Everything is flourishing. Everything is green. There are leaves on the trees, and trees are bearing fruits, and the flowers are blossoming around. Very pleasant and very nice, cool weather is there. Not cool, very nice. The scenery is there where you enjoy that and you understand. Before that, everything is dry. And then Vasanta Rutu comes and the Vanashri, the wealth of forest, is ready to welcome that Vasanta Rutu with full. This is poetry, full of the fruits and the leaves and the flowers and lavanyesi and the beauty also. So it becomes attendance at the door of spring season. Next shloka. Ishtan bhogan hivo devaha dasyante yajna bhavitaha tairdattana pradayaibhyah yo bhungte stena eva sah. इष्टान् भोगान् हि वो देवाः दास्यन्ते यज्ञभाविताः तैर्दत्तानप्रदायैभ्यः यो भुङ्क्तेस्तेन एव सः. इष्टान् भोगान् हि वह देवाः दास्यन्ते यज्ञभाविताः तैहि दत्तान अप्रदाय तैहि भोगान एभ्यः यह भुंक्ते तेनः एव सः. Beautiful. Now yajna bhavitaha devaha, gods which are pleased by our offerings to them, our selfless work, egoless work to them, those gods, yajna bhavitaha devaha, वह to us ishtan bhogan dasyante, they will give us all desired enjoyments because they are pleased, they have that power in their hand. So yajna bhavitaha devaha, वह to us ishtan bhogan dasyante, they give us whatever we want. Taihi, to those bhogas, whatever we got from God, it's our duty to give little bit back to them. And one who don't give all the bhogas back to them, taihi bhogaihi dattan apradaya, taihi dattan ishtan bhogan apradaya, having given them back, yah bhungte, the one who enjoys it, sah, he stenah eva, he is thief only, verily thief. You see, now we offered our action to God, God was pleased, he gave result back to us. Now once we got result from God, we should not enjoy it without giving something out of that back. It's very important. Like we are getting 50,000 salary, so out of that 550,000 rupees we should give it for some charity, for some service, towards some trust, towards some temple. Somewhere we should give for some beggars or some the people who are studying these Vedas and all, because they don't get money, they don't have money, they don't strive for money, they don't live for money, but they also need money. So here is the place where we get something in our life, We should give it back, Ishwar Seva, to someone or the other in the society. If we don't do that, we are thief only. This is Bhagwan Krishna's thief definition. So we must give something back to the society. तैसे सर्व सुख सहित, तैसे सर्व सुख सहित दैवची मूर्ती मंत, येईल देखा देखा काढत तुम्हा पाठी. तैसे सर्व सुख सहित दैवची मूर्ती मंत, येईल देखा काढत तुम्हा पाठी. So once you get something from God, once you do your own actions diligently, dedicated to God, sarva sukha sahita, then whatever you have done, that is going to give complete happiness. And Daivachi Murti Manta, your fate, your fortune comes after you. Once you do your duty nicely, once you dedicated your action and ego to God, then all the joy you are going to get, and your fortune will become embodiment, and it will chase you, it will come after you. येईल देखा काढत तुम्हा पाठी. It will come after us. Once we do our duty, the results will be very, very wonderful. They will follow us. ऐसे समस्त भोग भरित, ऐसे समस्त भोग भरित होवाल तुम्ही अनार्थ, जरी स्वधर्मैक निरत वर्ताल बापा. ऐसे समस्त भोग भरित होवाल तुम्ही अनार्थ, जरी स्वधर्मैक निरत वर्ताल बापा. So once you please the God, God will give you so much, you will enjoy everything. I say samasta bhoga sahita bharita. All the enjoyments, they are fulfilling you, they are quenching your thirst, they are satiating you. Tumhi anartha hoval, and the result of this swadharma, doing action, is such a great that you will become desireless. See, these actions, they are not, so these results or action, they are not just fulfilling your wish, but eventually they will make you desireless. That is the best part, so that you can be ready for Brahma Vidya. But where this will happen? When this will happen? Jari swadharmaika nirata vartal bapa. It is possible then and then and then only when we thoroughly, sincerely follow our duty, do our duty. If we are grahastha, take care of family. If we are sannyasi, work for society, revel in Brahman all the time. If you are grahastha, take care of other ashram. If you are brahmachari, recite Vedas, suktas, stotras, mantras, Gita. That is our duty. Then का झालिया सकल संपदा, जो अनुसरेल इंद्रिय मदा, लुब्ध होवोनिया स्वादा विषयांचिया. Now come the crux. We get something from God, we forget God, and we are engrossed in our life only. We are indulged, in fact, in our life. So that person, what is going to happen? You see what Bhagavan says. Kazaliya sakala sampada. You get entire wealth of this world by doing selfless action, God dedicated action. And Kazaliya sakala sampada. Once you get that kind of sampatti, the wealth, and you forget God and you run after your turbulent sense organ. जो अनुसरेल इंद्रिय मदा, the one who will follow or will be carried away by the excitement of sense organ, such person will ruin. Lubda hovonia swada, lubda hovonia, and he is indulge, he is captivated by vishayanchya swada, he is captivated by the test of all the different sense organs. So you got something from God, wealth you got, something you got, and you forgot the God, and you are following your sense organ, and you are so much indulged and involved in that you don't know anything now. Such person who comes for some object from God, and then once you get the object, the God is where and I am where, like that. So that is not good. जिहि जित्तिहि यज्ञ भाविकी सुरी, जेहे संपत्ति दिदली पुरी, तया स्वमार्गी सर्वेश्वरी, न भजे लजो। तिहि यज्ञ भाविकी सुरी, जेहे संपत्ति दिधली पुरी, तया स्वमार्गी सर्वेश्वरी, न भजे लजो। तिहि यज्ञ भाविकी, by those God who are pleased by Yajna, Suri, gods, Yajna Bhaviki Suri, the Yajna Bhava, the selfless actions which were offered to God, those were pleased by those gods. Suri means God. Jehe Sampatti Didali Puri, this wealth which you have got, they have showered their grace upon you. That wealth you must utilize in Swadharma. Very important topic. Like going to temple is our swadharma. We go to temple, we offer something, we get something from God. And again, if we go to temple and we get, suppose, good job, 1 lakh, 1 lakh per month, we get that job. So what is our duty? We should go back again with few amount and again offer it to God. Or we should invest that money in swadharma, one's own duty. To fulfill our own dharma, we should invest that money. For example, if I go to Pandharpur every year and with the God's grace, I got good job, 30,000 job. So what should I do with that money? I should contribute some amount to Warkaris. When they are going from one place to another place, we should give some travel allowance, whatever it is. Or we should give some food for them. One day, food festival from my side. Taya Swamarge Sarveshwari we should give. But na bhajela jo, the one who won't give the gifted things from God back to God, then what will happen? You see. What all things he won't do. Agni Mukhi Havana न करेल देवता पूजन प्राप्त वेळे भोजन ब्राह्मणांचे. Means this is our swadharma. Naneshwar Maharaj is telling our swadharma very beautifully. Agni mukhi havan न करेल देवता पूजन प्राप्त वेळे भोजन ब्राह्मणांचे. Agnimukhಿ havan, daily I have to perform daily obligatory duty. Agnimukhಿ havan, I have to offer something to Agni. I have to worship all the gods. Na karela devata pujana, one who doesn't do puja of God. Prapta vele bhojana brahmanancha, and whenever we see any divine realized person, if we don't feed him, then our life is gone. This is our swadharma, means we should do Agni Devata Havana every day. Nitya Naimittik Karma Pujanam we should do. Then we should worship all other gods. And whenever realized person comes, we should extend our gratitude and love to that. Okay, someone gets everything and he is going away from God and Guru and Brahmana. Then विमुखु होईल गुरु भक्ती आदरू न करील अतिथी संतोषु देईल ज्ञाती आपुलिये विमुखो होईल गुरुभक्ती आदरू न करील अतिथी संतोष देईल ज्ञाती आपुलिये person who is now completely against from which he got everything, he is completely against, he doesn't worry about God now. Then guru, vimukha hoil guru bhakti, he doesn't want to worship God, the teacher anymore. Adaru na karila atithi, and he doesn't give respect to guest also. Whoever comes at our door, we must give respect to them. Santoshu संतोषु संतोषु ने दील ज्ञाति आपुलिये, here ne has to be there. Santoshu ne dil, and he won't give happiness to people who all are around him. It is given here Jnati means caste fellow, but people with whom he is living, people with whom he is working, people with whom he is playing, people whom with he is mingling, to all the people he won't give joy, he won't give satisfaction. Why? Because he got the wealth and there is no arrogance in that. There is no the attitude of gratitude in that. विमुख होइल गुरु भक्ति, देन ऐसा स्वधर्म क्रिया रहितु आथिलेपणे प्रमत्तु केवळ भोगासक्तु होईल जो. ऐसा स्वधर्म क्रिया रहितु आथिलेपणे प्रमत्तु केवळ भोगासक्तु होईल जो. Now one who has given up daily obligatory duties, Nitya and Naimittik karma, that also has been given up. Such person, Naneshwar Maharaj says, Aisa Swadharma Kriya Rahitu, a such person who is devoid of doing one's own duty, and Athile Pane Pramattu, and one who is arrogant, one who is, not following Vedas anymore. Athilepane pramatu. Something he got from God, something he got from God's grace, that thing is now stopping him doing swadharma. And kevala bhoga saktu hoilazo, and he is completely asakta in bhoga, completely plunged into bhoga. तया मग अपावो थोरू आहे जेणे ते हातीचे सकळ जाये देखा प्राप्तहीन लाहे भोग भोगू. तया मग अपावो थोर आहे जेणे ते हातीचे सकळ जाये देखा प्राप्तहीन लाहे भोग भोगू. मग तया अपावो एक आहे. And if someone is there like this, who doesn't respect atithi, who doesn't take care of brahmanas, such person, if it is there, taya, to such person, apao thoru ahe, there is a big harm in his life. What will happen? Hatiche sakal jaye, whatever he has, name, fame, wealth, family, the farm, everything, sakala jaye, everything will go away. Okay, whatever remains near to him, will that give him happiness? No. Dekha prapta hi na lahe bhoga bhogu. Prapta hi bhoga bhogu na lahe. Whatever he has, that also he won't be able to enjoy. That is how, if someone doesn't do swadharma, plight is very bad. How everything will go away? Naneshwar Maharaj says, Jaise gata yushi shariri चैतन्य वासून करी, का निदैवाच्या घरी न राहे लक्ष्मी. जैसे गतायुषी शरीरी, चैतन्य वासून करी, का निदैवाच्या घरी न राहे लक्ष्मी. जैसे, just like Gatayushi Shariri. Shariri, body. Gatayushi, the lifespan has got over. So once lifespan is over, Chaitanya Vasunakari, just like Chaitanya, this consciousness leaves this body, like that, one who doesn't do Swadharma, Sukha leaves him. Any other example? Ka nidaivacha gari narahe Lakshmi. Or if there is a person who is misfortune, he doesn't have good fortune, ill fortune, then he won't have money. Money is also part of Lakshmi. Lakshmi, money is part of fate. If you have fate, money will come to you. Of course, hard works are there. Hard work 50% and the fate 50% makes 100%. निदैवाच्या घरी लक्ष्मी न राही, तैसा स्वधर्मो जरी लोपला, तरी सर्व सुखाचा थारा मोडला. जैसा दीपासवे हरपला प्रकाश उजाय, तैसा स्वधर्मो जरी लोपला, तरी सर्व सुखाचा थारा मोडला. जैसा दीपासवे हरपला प्रकाश उजाय, तैसा, like that, once Swadharma has gone from my life, सर्व सुखाचा थारा मोडला. Entire happiness will go away from our life. Why? Swadharmu lopala. One's own duty has gone, so sukha also will go. Can you give example? Yes. Dipasave harapala prakashuzaya. Jaisa, just like once the flame of a lamp goes away, then prakasha also goes away. So dipasave harapala prakashuzaya. When the flame of the lamp, or when the lamp like put off, then prakasha suddenly it disappears. Okay. तैसी निजवृत्ती जेत सांडे, तेथ स्वतंत्र ते वस्ती न घडे. ऐका प्रजा हो हे पुढे विरंची म्हणे. तैसी निजवृत्ती जेथ सांडे, तेथ स्वतंत्र ते वस्ती न घडे. ऐका प्रजा हो हे पुढे विरंची म्हणे. तैसी, just like lamp is put off, then the light goes away. When the lifespan is over, the chaitanya consciousness in this body goes away. Or just like there is a ill fortune person, then this money also goes away. Like that, nijavrutti jetha sande, when you stop thinking and doing about your swadharma, tetha swatantrate vastu na gade, there you won't find freedom. We feel doing particular actions is bondage. Here it is said that doing your own duty is freedom. You might be bound for few time, for little time, but you will be free for more time. ऐका प्रजा हो हे पुढे विरंची म्हणे. Brahmadev is saying, "O Praja, listen this little bit more. म्हणोनी स्वधर्मू जो सांडील, तया ते काळू दंडील. चोर म्हणोनी हरिल सर्वस्व तयाचे. म्हणवणी स्वधर्म जो सांडील, तया ते काळू दंडील. चोरू म्हणोणी हरिल सर्वस्व तयाचे. Like that, one who renounces swadharma, stops doing one's own action, stops doing egoless and accept expectation less actions, Tayate Kalu Dandila. The Yamaraja will punish him. What he will do? Choru Manoni Harila Sarvaswatayache. You are a thief, saying that he will take away all the name, fame, wealth, family, everything from you. Mag. Mag Sakal Dosha Bhavate. Givasoni Gheti Tayate. रात्री समय स्मशानाते भूते जैसी मग सकळ दोष भवते गिवसोनी घेती तयाते रात्री समय स्मशानाते भूते जैसी मग once everything is gone, now good things are gone, what will happen? सकळ दोष भवते, all the defects, all the shortcomings, they will come to you. Givasoni gheti tayate, they will surround you, they will encompass you, all the sins they will encompass you, all the bad things, the bad qualities will encompass you. How? Ratri samai smashanate bhute jaisi, as in the night, in the graveyard, when all the ghosts, they surround a body or a soul, like that they will surround us. What to do? What to do? Taisi taishi tribhuvanichi dukhe ani nana vidhe patake दैन्यजात तितुके तेथे चिवसे तैशी त्रिभुवनीची दुःखे आणि नाना विधे पातके दैन्यजात तितुके तेथेची वसे तैशी. Like that means just like all the ghosts, they surround a soul or a body in the graveyard, the same way Tribhuvanachi Dukkhe, all the sorrows which are there in the three worlds, Nana Vidhe Patake, all the sins which are there in this world, different kind of sins. Dainyazat tituke tethe chivase, and all the misery will reside with that fellow, one who doesn't do all the actions. My neck pain, I have somehow neck pain I got. Sorry. ऐसे होय उन्मत्ता मगस न सुटे बापा रुदता परिकल्पांती ही सर्वथा प्राणी गण हो. ऐसे होय उन्मत्ता मगन सुटे बापा रुदता परिकल्पांती ही सर्वथा प्राणी गण. So, such a person who was, turbulent because of his sense organ. He got something from God. He forgot to give it back because he wanted to soothe, he wanted to please his sense organs. And he became unmatta. Aise hoya unmatta, mad fellow. Magna sute bapa, and oh my dear one, once you are caught, you are not going to be freed. You won't be, free from it. But I will cry. Rudata na sute bapa. You won't be freed even though you cry. How long I will be there? Parikalpantihi sarvatha. Till the end of the era, the yuga, you will be there. Aika pranigana ho. O people of this world, listen to this. मनोनी निजवृत्ती हे न सांडावी इंद्रिये बरळो नेदावी ऐसी प्रजाते शिकवी चतुराननु. मनोनी निजवृत्ती न सांडावी, because you will be punished badly, so you don't give up your actions. Selfless, egoless, expectationless actions. Indriye baralo nedavi. Don't allow sense organ to become turbulent. ऐसे प्रजाते शिकवी चतुराननु. ऐसे thus way the teaching is given by Brahmaji to all the people. प्रजाते शिकवी जैसे जळचरा जळ सांडे आणि तत्क्षणी मरण मांडे. हा स्वधर्मो तेने पाडे विसंबू नये. जैसे जळचरा जळ सांडे आणि तत्क्षणी मरण मांडे. हा स्वधर्मो तेने पाडे विसंबो नये. Beautiful example. Just like aquatic animals which are there in the water, if we take them out of water, they die, and they should not leave that water for a moment also. In the same way, we also should not leave our swadharma for a moment. Jalachara Jala Sande, if they give up, if they come out of that water, who? Aquatic. Jalachara, water. Sande, when they give, when they leave that water. Tatkshani Marana Mande. At that moment only, once they come out, at that moment only, they are embracing the death. Ha swadharmute ne pade visambune. Just like that, just like aquatic animals should not leave the water and come out, in the same way, we also should not leave our swadharma and come out. Last OV. म्हणोनी तुम्ही समस्ती आपुलालिया कर्मी उचिती निरत व्हावे पुडत पुडती म्हणिपत असे. म्हणोनी तुम्ही समस्ती आपुलालिया कर्मी उचिती निरत व्हावे पुडत पुडती म्हणत असे. Therefore, you all should be engaged or doing your actions diligently. म्हणोनी तुम्ही समस्ती. Therefore, O people, आपुलालिया कर्मी उचिती. आपुलालिया उचिती कर्मी, whichever is appropriate action for you. निरत व्हावे पुडत पुडती म्हणिपत असे. You should be always engaged, always ready to give proper performance in your actions. That is what Brahmaji is also telling us. Pudata pudati, again and again in front, like how we live our life further. I am telling for the future life as well. Pudata pudati, pude pude. There is no time now to sing, but I'll sing just one line. Guru guha sarasi jakara pada shubhakara murte suravara shiva suta bhuvana pate Murahara hari haya vidhi nuta bahuvida kirte narapati nata muni yuta sumate निरुपम जय कर निरतिशय सुखद सरस सततम स्थिरतर शक्ति निरुपम जय कर निरतिशय सुखद सरस सततम स्थिरतर शक्ति गुरु गुह सरसिज कर पद शुभ कर मूर्ति सूरवर शिव सुत भुवन पति ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगतगुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम